Hey guys, 2004 Expedition. Inside handle broken, and I was trying to replace it. Let me see, that's the broken piece here. You can see, and that's the new one I was gonna put. And a YouTuber put a video, and he said, no need to pull all the inside panel. And then the last minute, when I was putting that thing, as you can see inside here, this piece here is broken on me. Holding that pin upside, that's broken now. So I had to take the inside panel, bunch of hidden screws and this and that. And I see very disturbing thing here. Whole plastic piece. This is one piece all the way going down. I don't know what's in down here, but it's all the way one big piece all the way here in there. So all I can say, thank you, Ford. Thank you. I'm gonna try to fix it before I change this thing. How I am thinking to put some like maybe here and here some drilling, and then put some good tight wires over there, and then WD-40 on it so it can hold this little piece here, you know. And probably I'll go with the safety wire from the bottom to the top, to hold it on the position maybe later on after I install the new piece. That's my idea right now. I didn't do it yet, but I'll let y'all know. Like I said, thank you, Ford. Thank you.